The following footage comes from an unidentified man who resides in a village near the Swiss Alps. They had been hearing weird noises coming off the mountain for several days. He finally decided to go and find out what these noises were for himself. But he captured something so much more than he expected, something that actually terrified him and left others wondering if what he saw was angels or something else, something more demonic. Take a look at this and decide for yourself. What is it? Comment below and let me know.
Ne znam da li je moguće, ne znam da ste vidli, ili mislim možda što sam sam ovde, kao da mi se učinilo, ne znam da ste vidli, molim vas zavratite, ništa se ne vidi. Ništa ne vidim i dalje. Čini mi se kao da je mrdnulo